Here we have a word problem with a quadratic function where we're talking about a weekly profit in dollars. So you get profit out for selling X items according to the equation P of X. How many items does the company have to sell each week to maximize the profit? Well, let's think about the shape of this graph. Here's my value for A. A is negative 0.5, which is less than 0. If you have a negative A, it flips upside down your parabola. The max point of your parabola is the vertex. So we just need to find the vertex of this function that's given in standard form. So the vertex, when you're given a parabola in standard form, is always negative b over 2a. So we have our value for a, b, and c. So for this one, I'm going to do negative, and my b is 40. Over 2 times a is negative 0.5. So I'm going to plug in on a calculator if I need to. We have negative 40 divided by 2 times negative 0.5, which is negative 1. So negative 40 divided by negative 1 is really just going to give us positive 40 in the x value. So when we sell 40 items, in other words, we're going to have our maximum profit. So vertex is the max. It happens at 40. We're done with this question. How many items does the company have to sell? We would have to sell 40, and it doesn't tell us what it is, so we could just say 40 items. It doesn't say we have to find the y value of the vertex, but of course, if you tell a company, hey, you should make 40 items for your max profit, what's their next question going to be? It's going to be, well, what is our max profit going to be? So if you're asked to find not just the number of items to sell, but also what the max profit would be, you'd replace your x's with 40s in parentheses. So you'd have negative 0.5 times 40 squared plus 40 times 40 minus 300. Our max profit would be $500. So they should sell 40 items for a max weekly profit of $500. They sell 40 items each week, they'll make $500, which is the best they can do according to this model for their profit.